In this video, we're going to show you how to import your store's existing listings directly into your dashboard using the new Import Products feature. Start by heading to the Products page inside Teleport. Then click Import Products. From here, you'll have two options. You can either connect Etsy or upload a CSV. If you choose Connect Etsy, you'll be redirected to Etsy to grant access. Just sign into your Etsy store and approve the connection. Once that's complete, you'll be brought back to Teleport where you can head to the Products page to see your newly connected store along with all of your imported listings. Now, what if you don't have an Etsy store or you'd rather upload manually? Well, you're going to need a CSV file, which you can easily export from your store. This may vary from platform to platform, so check your store's help center if you are having trouble. Once you have your CSV downloaded, start by clicking Import Products, Upload CSV. Then, select your e-commerce platform and upload your CSV file. Now, this part is important. Make sure the SKU column and the item name column are correctly mapped to the columns in your CSV. Double-check this before moving forward, since SKUs are what Teleport uses to match orders correctly. Once everything looks set, click Import Products. You should now see all of your imported listings on the Products page. From here, you can match files to your listings, just like you normally would, and Teleport will be ready to print when your orders come in.